to have his knowledge and his amazing products exclusively here at HSN. Let me give you a little sneak peek at a few things that are going to be coming up for you. Of course, one of the #1 ingredients Dr. Nassif has introduced us to the world, along with his patients before he does any surgery, is HydraScreen. Well, we have a special on our HydraScreen lips, or I want to say, yeah, that's coming up, our eye smoothing 2-pack. And today it's offered at $49.90. I don't know if we've ever done that. I want you to see this before and after, why this is a customer pick favorite. First off, it's specially priced, but take a look at the before, and then after, I want to say that is 4 weeks. It looks like different eyes. Look at the smoothness around under the eye, all the way around the eye, really addressing the look of texture, whether that be crepiness or dryness. And then once you put this on, you're gonna hear Doctor talked about this. I never ever realized this in any other eye product. All of your makeup will go on smoother and more evenly. It's wild. So that's gonna be coming up, and that's a special price for $49.99, and we do have it available. I wanna say most things are back in stock and available on auto ship, so excited to share that with you. But #1 top seller from the day that the detox pads went on auto ship. I have been on auto ship. Will not be without these. They're exfoliator, they're a cleanser. Read the reviews. I'll have to ask Dr. Nassif an idea of how many have been sold here at HSN. But here's what we're doing today. You're gonna get 60 of the detox pads. You're gonna choose either the original or the gentle. We'll talk about the difference in the two of those for $35. They're normally $46.95. Auto ship would be every 60 days. Take it from me, grab them on auto ship. When you feel how clean and you see what comes off your skins with detox pads, unlike anything else, you're gonna understand how many hundreds of thousands have been ordered. But let's welcome in the man that makes it all happen. Dr. Paul Nassif is joining us. Great to see you, my friend. And what a better way to start than really with one of our #1 top selling products that you've brought to us here at HSN.
Yeah, hi, Lynn. It's actually #1 in the world for me out of all my products.
Not
Over 2
surprised.
million sold. Matter of fact, just got this great old thing, my 224, my new beauty winner of all the skincare, and they picked, of course, the detox pads. And so everyone, listen, you all, I'm sure you've heard of the detox pads. I mean, really, they're phenomenal because they are the ultimate multitasker. And for example, they take every product that you're going to use, whether you're going to use the HydraScreen and all my other products, it makes them more effective to use. And you're going to see why when we show you this little video of actually what they do. We really call them wiping away the signs of aging in 30 seconds. All skin types, all ages. You can start as a teenager, and all genders. And so let's start. So Lynn, you know, everyone likes using these about twice a day, especially all the hosts love using these. But #1 exfoliates dead skin cells. And by the way, that right there is going to allow your products to work more effectively. And here's the second part of that. Removes debris and makeup. Clinically better, proven more than soap and water. We'll show you that study in a minute. Cleans out the pores. Then they shrink. That makes your texture better. Now, it also evens out your skin tone, smooths the appearance of fine lines or wrinkles, firms the appearance of the skin, hydrates. All of those with one detox pad. And as an example, where you're looking up there, that was our clinical study. And by the way, I'm going to just show you how I use it while we're talking about this. And then we're going to pop up a Vizia where that came from. And I love getting the nose because, you know, you get whiteheads and blackheads also. But remember, it's an anti-aging treatment. So when you look at the Vizia, which will pop up, and let me explain it to you. It's a clinical study that we did where we put fluorescent makeup on patients. And then what we did is we used conventional soap and water on one side. And then on the other side with the detox pad, you see how it went in and actually extracted all the gunk, and here it's fluorescent makeup, from your pores. So let's use some common sense here. If you look at the after, and you're going to go put on your beautiful serum that you spent, who knows how much you spent on it, are you going to want to put it on makeup and debris so it's not effective? No. you're going to want to use the detox pad side. And then to go to part 2 of this demonstration, and then Lynn, you interrupt me whenever you want, because again, the value is absolutely incredible. Hopefully it's on auto ship. And then one comment you made about the gentle. For any of you that you have a known sensitivity for salicylic acid, then I want you to use the gentle, just as clinically effective, and that's right there, the gentle, but replaced with a fruit acid complex. And remember, what's great about these, so you're removing all the gunk, but then you're leaving behind the anti-aging clinical ingredients in each one of these. And every one of these products in here, these key ingredients, are shown to be effective. Now, I think we're going to have Donna do a little live demonstration for you, probably a little, better version of what I'm doing, using a makeup wipe. Because you might say, okay, well, Dr. Nassif, when I get
What's
home,
the
I use a
difference?
makeup wipe.
Right.
And hi, Donna.
Hi, how are you?
Fantastic.
I used to clean my face with a regular makeup wipe, so I'm going to do a little demo for you. I have makeup on, and I'm going to take this regular makeup wipe and scrub away. I always thought that I was getting all of the makeup off of my face by using these regular makeup wipes. You would think that I did. Look at how much makeup is on this wipe. Well, I'm going to go ahead with the detox pad, go over the exact same area that I just went over, and you'll notice I do not have to scrub the way I was scrubbing with the makeup wipe. And look at how much is still
Left
on my
behind.
skin after using a regular makeup wipe. What I love about these detox pads, and I use them twice a day, every single day, is my skin is softer, smoother, plumper, and the fact that it leaves behind an anti-aging treatment is like a double bonus. So even my makeup goes on better, my skin looks better. It looks better than it did 10 years ago because I didn't use Dr. Nassif 10 years ago.
It's Donna, you just aged backwards, but I agree with you. I mean, that, what you said, and we always say, you might think it's just this is so far beyond a makeup remover, like to Donna's point, like that's when you really realize that once you use this, whether after you cleanse your face or not, and then you use it as an additional, you're like, you gotta be kidding, that was all left behind. That's how powerful this is. So I would say 90% would be original. I use the original. If you have that sensitivity to salicylic acid, then we have, obviously the gentle that is also in stock. And yes, Dr. Nassif, you asked if it was available on auto ship. It is every 60 days. And believe me, that's what I said. You're grabbing that $10 savings today. I should say you're securing that. You can cancel at any time. But we want to take you through again that this is not makeup remover. This is exfoliator. This is for everyone. You just saw Dr. Nassif using it. You just saw Donna using it. It's wonderful for after a workout. It's wonderful for teenagers, right, who have textured skin. You want to make sure that they're getting as clean and down as, gently but effectively as possible. That is why millions have been sold. Millions. You just heard Dr. Nassif. Lynn, #1 top-selling product in my entire collection worldwide. And there's a reason for that. And, doctor, you often talk about, before doing surgeries and you wanted to put a line together that, was going to be good enough for your patients, right?
Yep.
And that's how this all
right.
came to be.
Remember, everyone uses these, and again, for maybe this is your first time tuning in, seeing me, and again, I'm a facial plastic surgeon. Everyone uses these before really any treatment or med spa or surgery for 4 weeks. And they also use the HydroScreen, which you see, there they are over on this side. And, this is a treatment really which transforms your skin. And so just, when we talk about summary of the detox pads, this is a pad that pretty much does everything in anti-aging for your skin and cleanses and exfoliates. It does all that. So for all of you out there, and I know, Lynn, you said 60 days. I don't know if you can do 30 days because personally, I like using these twice a day. Right out of the shower in the morning. And then secondarily, when I get home, I have these by the bedside. Brittany has them in the restroom, in the bathroom there. So it's wherever you want to put them. You can keep them at work. If you're going traveling, put them in a little plastic bag even. And you can put a few of these because, matter of fact, do me a favor, Lynn, grab the top one. just grab it and show how everyone too, if you can, how they're soaked. You're going to see that. In addition, maybe we'll show Kelly also. She's got one of the gentle ones, and we'll do a demonstration.
Yeah, I will
So
definitely show
this
that.
is
Yeah.
why everyone there. Here we go.
Okay.
Hi.
So I'm doing the same thing that Donna just did, but I'm going to show you how the gentle ones are effective, just as effective as the OGs. I prefer the gentle for my skin. It just tends to work better on my skin. Here you can see the makeup that I just removed. And I'm gonna take one of the detox pads. This is the gentle. My son, who is 13, also uses the gentle. I just feel really good that he can put this on his skin without any of the higher potency chemicals that we adults need on our skin. But what I love about this is I've been at the beach this week, so my skin has been dehydrated. But look, you can see all the makeup that came off and what I thought I was getting before. So these are very effective. And my skin's been, like I said, very dehydrated this week from the sun and the sunscreen. And this not only pulls out all of the sunscreen I put on my face, the makeup, anything else, but it's putting back all of those wonderful things into my skin so it feels plumper, it looks more glowy, it feels fresher, and I'm ready to go about my day. I use them twice a day.
And
every
your
single day.
skin looks amazing, amazing. Do you know on hsn.com there are over 350 reviews making this a customer pick? If you have a second, please go online, read those reviews. And yes, doctor, I don't know necessarily, because this is a special price, if they can do the 30 days, but either way, check and see. It just, in my information, it says 60 days. But yeah, you're right. I mean, or get a couple of these, because you will, when you see and feel the difference, you will want to use this twice a day. And if you can't, again, if you are just getting it and trying it for the first time, you'll understand why millions have been sold here at HSN. And the opportunity, when you shop with any major credit card, you can get this home with, I want to say under $12. Yeah, under $12 with FlexPay. And you have a 30-day money-back guarantee on everything that you purchase. This is where I started with Dr. Nassif and then graduated onto HydroScreen and so many of the other amazing products. But this is key. It's for the whole entire family. Absolutely, for the entire family. And I love the Visio screen that you always show, because we think, and doctor, you can always talk more to this, obviously, we think when we're washing our face that, you know, we're doing a pretty good job, but we can't see what's left behind.
Absolutely. And, you know, really what you're looking at is very thick fluorescent makeup inside your pores. That's the residue that you are looking at using conventional soap on the right side on that part of the screen. So if you think about it, you're washing your face. Now, remember, a lot of that makeup as you're patting it on is going in your pores, especially if your pores are larger. When that happens, there's nothing really extracting that out. So, for example, you're going to put a product on your face after. Well, it's going in your pores, which are, by the way, going in the pore or keeping them large, basically what that does, it makes your texture really poor. So we can get everything out of your pores. Then they're going to say, okay, we're fantastic now. Let's close and make the texture better. That is our goal. And, you know, and this is one of the things that when it comes to any cleansing agent, whether using one of those scrubs or one of the little devices, there really hasn't been anything that I've seen that actually can extract from your pores. Now, yeah, you can get those strips for your nose, which, you know, I tell you, that's pretty intense when you're doing that to get rid of the blackheads and whiteheads. But this is doing it so gently with these durable pads, and they don't cause any, you know, they don't rough up your skin at all. Oh, and what
Did you
Lynn
see
just
how
did
much
there,
just came out?
she just took one.
Yeah.
She took the
From the
top
top.
one, and those were all the key ingredients. So from 1 through 60, no matter what you get, you know, and by the way, don't waste that. Get that on your hands too.
Oh, I will.
By the way,
Are you
face,
kidding?
neck, décolleté, hands, they are absolutely exfoliation, cleaning the skin 108% better than soap and water. Cleaning out the pores, helping with the texture, helping with the tone, the firming appearance of the skin, softening fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, and it's hydrating. It's not drying out your skin. So everyone is a facial plastic surgeon. You probably see me on the show Botch, where I'm doing reconstruction. This is the way to go, and it works seamlessly with any other skincare line that you use. Actually, it makes them work better And lastly, if you're someone or the guy in the house doesn't really want to do much for their skin, this is so easy to
So
do.
easy.
Twice a day. Twice a day.
Absolutely. All right, we are super, super busy, and I want to mention, as always, your best way to get through, you can shop Dr. Nassif's entire collection on hsn.com. You can scan that QR scan at the bottom of the screen, but start here. You're getting 60 individual pads at a great value. I want to say it's $35 today, where normally it's $46.95, which is terrific. And you have your 30-day money-back guarantee. I will tell you, in all the years here at HSN and wearing TV makeup, I could not believe my normal routine when I would, put TV makeup, which is obviously a lot more than I would wear in normal every day. And I thought I was getting my face clean perfectly. And I remember Dr. Nassif said, Lynn, after you clean your face in your traditional normal way, I want you to try one of these pads. I was floored how much was left from after I washed my face. So that's what started it all, and then the way your skin looks and the way your skin feels, all those anti-aging ingredients and exfoliants and all of that, and smooth, like our model said. This is why it's so beloved. All right, if you'd like to save an additional $15, you can apply for our HSN charge card. And I know we do all kinds of terrific specials throughout the year, like VIP savings events, but every single day when you have the HSN charge card, we offer FlexPay. You can add an additional month. So it's my favorite card. I love my FlexPay. I love my additional FlexPay when we're able to do so. Okay, we did a little sneak peek of our under eye smoother, and I was mentioning, unlike anything else, and this is what Dr. Nassif does. So we were just talking about cleansing the skin. He takes it to the next level with the detox pads. Yes, there are a lot of eye creams and smoothers out there. There is nothing like this hydration and truly addressing textured skin around the eye. Really one of the most difficult things, where it's, again, not only, it could be up to the look of texture, it could be, that very thin, tissuey look under our eye. That's one of the most difficult areas to really see a difference. Look at this before and look in this after in the smoothing appearance under your skin. Not to mention, I was mentioning how your makeup, and I'm gonna have Doctor explain that to you, goes on so much smoother, so much easier. And here's another example of, addressing so many different issues, even puffiness and all of that. So Dr. Nassif, you're getting a 2-pack today for $20 off. It's normally $69.99. This is also a customer pick favorite. And we also have it available on auto ship because people asked you that they do not want to be without it. So you can customize your auto ship on this one and secure this $20 savings. But what sets your eye anti-smoother apart from any other eye products out there?
Absolutely. It's all about the key clinical grade ingredients. But first of all, let me talk to you about the lower eyelids. So as you all know, I'm a facial plastic surgeon. The lower eyelid is very delicate, very thin skin. Now, I don't know if you ever see me on Botch, but we're actually doing a lot of reconstruction for patients that have had lower eyelid surgery gone wrong because that skin is really, really gentle. You got to be careful with what you do. So what I did, I took two peptides and one polymer complex. And these peptides, first of all, let's talk about our eye serum. Dark circles, we help with that. Puffiness helps with that. Crepey skin, the wrinkles like you saw in those before and afters. And you can pop through some of these before and afters too as I'm discussing this. So I want you all to stare at the, shall we say, the befores have the lack of hydration, the fine wrinkles, the discoloration, the puffiness, basically the lack of radiance. And what we did is we took the eye serum, okay, that's number one, my best peptide, but then we added something called pinoxide. It is a second key clinical ingredient which really supports collagen levels and also helps with microcirculation. You might even feel a little warmth as you put it on. That also is helping decrease the appearance of the dark circles underneath the eye. And when you look at those befores and afters, look at the texture of the skin. Now, this is the long-term use, but let me tell you also something about the immediate and short-term use with this. There's a polymer complex called Lifted-In Express. As soon as you put it on, it tightens that skin. It helps get rid of the wrinkles and the crepey skin look. So we're doing that for you. So you have one, the immediate and short term. So make sure your eyes look great when you put it on, then you can put on your makeup. Two, we have the most incredible peptides and hydrators. And when you look up there, okay, dark circles, under eye skin, they improve the appearance and the puffiness, optimize skin elasticity, increases skin hydration. And remember, hydration, I'm going to say this area here, you get these little tear trough deformity, which is a line right there, and you get sunk in it, especially if you lose weight. Now we're finding out for all of you, when you're using these GLP-1 and, like, any Monjaro, things like that, we're actually now you hear about you got to keep in shape and you got to get your muscles going. But now we're finding out it also causes dehydration of the tissue and decreases some elasticity. So now is the time to, if you're using those products, really take care of your skin. Okay. So for everyone out there, the under eye smoother, you're getting 2 of these. I love, Lynn, that we're also doing free shipping and handling for, I think, probably everything on this show.
I want to say everything, doctor. I'm going to double check on that. Yeah, all beauty. In fact, Donna's just showing you a little pea size, right, Donna, is all you need. What have you noticed it? What I really noticed at this, obviously you have textured skin, puffiness, dark circles, things of that nature because of those ingredients. But do you guys notice your makeup goes on so much? Because when you have textured skin under your eyes, around your eyes, that's the area you notice when you put makeup on first, where it gets, caught in the wrinkles and gets real dry. It doesn't happen with this smoother. Yeah.
No, the smoother has, I mean, my under eyes have just like exploded. I feel like the darkness is really diminished and the fine lines are diminished, and my makeup does go on so much smoother because it doesn't have that crepey skin that it's getting all stuck in.
Yeah, it's so true. And you're going to see Donna's before and after here. Even, doctor, we're talking about, obviously, it could be dark circles, it could be puffiness, obviously fine lines and wrinkles, but really textured skin. Wow, this is live in the studio. And you can see even the brightness. And you have ingredients in there that are addressing that as well.
Can I mention one thing about key ingredients, and clinical grade ingredients? And again, I'm not saying anything about anyone else's skincare line, but when we put ours together, and when you look right there, especially with that special delivery system, that's a Lifton and Express, it really is about the percentages and the quality of these peptides or antioxidants. They're not all made the same. And you want to make sure you get the optimal dosing, the percentage that's going to be clinically effective for all of you. So for everyone, I know we're running out of time here, lower eyelids, okay? Everyone comes to say, Dr. Nassif, let's take care of this lower eyelid, okay? Let's actually do something. Maybe we might do a laser. We might, for the really damaged one. But if we can get you on something that's going to improve your whole skin health of lower eyelids, this is where you start.
Right here. That is, and nothing better than coming from the master himself, right? I mean, we so appreciate that and your honesty, and $20 off our normal HSN price. This is normally for one is $60. So you're putting money back in your pocket today at $49.99 getting 2. And I love showing all these before and afters because they are really, some obviously difficult issues and areas, but you can see that smoothing effect. And this is just after using it twice a day for 4 weeks. Okay, want to mention a must. I talked about earlier HydroScreen, obviously, our detox pads we started with. HydroScreen, you heard Doctor mention that he has every one of his patients use it for their skin before he does any procedure. Well, perfected the HydroScreen for the lips. Now, if you want hydration, you want temporary plumping of the lips without the burning, we are so excited because we have a very special offer that we're offering. It doesn't even look in these afters like we're actually have the same, that they're the same lips. This has flown out the door every single time it has been offered. And we don't, how many, I'm sorry, Kyle. That's all we have is fewer than 500? Oh, they're not gonna last. They're sold out all the time. So we are just delighted that we're offering it today for $29.95. Wow. Okay, I would not wait on that. I never ever want to rush you on anything, but I thought we had at least a couple thousand of them, but that unfortunately is not the case. All right, so this is something that Dr. Nassif, I know, worked on for a very long time, so that you could have a true spa experience in your own home. So like a true mini facial that you would probably spend close to what we're offering the whole kit just for one. It is our Micro Spa Peel and Vitamin C Serum Set. It's, again, a true full set that you're gonna see truly some of the most dramatic before and afters. And this is after one application. After one application, what a difference that you're gonna notice in your skin. And we are thrilled that we are offering this to you today. So there is a step one, there is a step two, and then there's your incredible vitamin C. And you just heard serum, doctor talking about the efficacy of the ingredients and the percentage of the ingredients that are in these products. You can be sure if it's gonna have Dr. Nassif's name on, it's true, tried and tested, and you're getting the finest. Let's take you through it purchased separately. So basically it's a two-step resurfacing peel. Very simple, very easy. And then you get the #1 selling brightening vitamin C serum. So just the peel alone is $72. The full size of the vitamin C serum is $60. We have offered this, our HSN price, and you can see the retail is $133. We have offered it in the past at $99. We have never, ever offered our at-home micro spa peel for $49.99. We don't have auto ship. It's a special opportunity buy that was saved for this hour. Again, free shipping and handling. So right out to Dr. Nassif. A system that is two steps and your #1 selling serum, and it's good for all skin types, right, doctor?
Absolutely. And Lynn, the reason why we did this at this incredible value was I wanted to bring one of the spa treatments to your home wherever you live across the country. And the before and afters, which we'll show you later, are only the Radiance Brightening Booster with 10% vitamin C. It's not a combination of the two of these working together. So let's start off. We're going to show you an animation about the Micro Spa. Now remember, this is a Radiance Resurfacing Peel. So you're going to use this once or twice a week at night, or whenever you want to use it. And what you're doing is you're taking a little scoop of those vitamin C crystals, and they're infused with also vitamin C and vitamin E and peptides. And you're going to rub this in your skin, dry skin, probably for about a good minute. Then you're going to activate it with alpha beta hydroxy, and right there you're going to add that gel to it. You're going to get a foaming depending again on the pH of your skin for 2 or 3 minutes. And again, you're going to take that, and basically what that's doing is, remember our detox pads, which we had earlier, you're going to use those all the time, except that twice a week, once or twice a week at night, you're going to use this. This is like, the detox pads are like brushing your teeth. This is like going to the dentist for that deep peel. So this was taken basically during COVID, when patients couldn't come to the office. We started thinking about, okay, if you can't come, or you don't want to spend $350 on one of our peels, what can we bring you at home? So this was basically our clinical peel that we brought it to make something that you at home can use this. So this again is your peel that you're going to do at home, and your skin radiant, bright, beautiful. As a matter of fact, let's put up some consumer perception studies.
Yes.
And I want you to look at these so you can actually see what folks like you think about it. Then we'll go and do the Radiance Brightening Booster and show you some clinical studies. And no matter what, from using it once to 4 weeks, everyone said skin was more hydrated, smoother, temporary plump with moisture, feels softer. Again, this is what you want to hear. Remember, it's an exfoliating treatment. It's deep. It's like giving yourself a peel. The whole thing takes about 4 minutes. Okay? Now we want to actually take that to the next level. Remember, this is a Radiance Resurfacing Peel. Well, let's take our Radiance Booster, which is 10% vitamin C. And we all know 10% vitamin C. This is an antioxidant. Vitamin C, when you talk about brightness of the skin, okay, radiance, that's where it comes from. And you look at these befores and afters, you're seeing the skin, basically the little dark circles are starting to get better. The skin looks more alive, and the wrinkles, look at these forehead wrinkles, how they softened up. And there's also an incredible hydrator, vitamin F. from omega fatty acids. And we're actually adding that with the vitamin C, and they are synergistically working together to give you basically taking your skin to the next level following your peel. Now, you can also just use this once or twice a day on its own and use the peel once a week. So when you look at this before and after, let me walk you through it. You see around the mouth the marionette lines and the smile line and the little jowl. Look, first of all, as you progress, the skin tone is more even, brighter skin. But the wrinkles, the nasolabial fold, even that jowl is tightened because we have vitamin C. Vitamin C really, when it comes to antioxidants, there's no other that's efficacious, effective to your skin. And then when you look at the rest of these befores and afters, again, it's all about the radiance, the skin tone, and the texture. And that's what you're getting. Remember, these photos are not using the detox pads, which are going to take it to the next level. They are only using 2 times a day for this is 1 month, using the 10% vitamin C radiance booster. So we're boosting your skin. We're boosting the peel. And again, brightness is what we all want to do. And then I'll let you talk about that incredible value.
That's never been done before, Doctor.
I've never seen that.
No.
That is the first time.
And listen, we've done the 10% Dr. Nassif vitamin C booster on its own for $60 and a customer favorite. So the fact that you're getting the full size of the brightening, and we know, I mean, if you obviously have aging skin, one of the most important things we always talk about is vitamin C, retinol, and things of that nature. But one thing a lot of us do not do is do any kind of peel, which even takes it further to the next level than just a regular exfoliator. And that's if you were to go to doctor, you just heard Dr. Nassif, if you were to go to his again, clinic in Beverly Hills, you're paying for, getting a treatment done, $350 for one treatment. This is, and you're getting several treatments on these peels here, because these are all full sizes. So the peel is 2 steps, very simple, very easy as we showed you. That's normally $72. Then the 10% vitamin C booster on its own is $60. So it's $133. Here's what I'm gonna say. We don't have auto ship. I have fewer than, it looks like 800 of these to go around. I would stock up on these because normally this is 50% off of our HSN price. And what better time going into spring? Again, we said test it on, again, for all skin types. And we're just showing you. Dr. Nassif, you said less than 5 minutes, right? That's another thing when it comes to a peel. A lot of times it's like, oh, it's a commitment. It's a 20-minute to 30-minute process. You can do this in less than 5 minutes at home.
Yeah, I mean, listen, the thing is your skin needs that extra love. It needs that spa treatment maybe every 1 month, 2 months. So instead of you going there, and you're right, it goes into that, your pockets there a little bit in regards to the pricing, but I'm bringing you something you can use 1 or 2 times a week. So do this, add the vitamin C, and again, by the way, Lynn, I love the shipping handling again is popping up there. So it's complimentary. So it's great. So everyone, please, let's take care of your skin. Detox pads and then the micro spa to get it to the next level.
And whom better to know our skin than Dr. Nassif? Honestly, as a board-certified plastic surgeon, reconstruction surgeon, he knows skin better than anyone. And this has all been tested. We're showing you with the clinicals, so we're so thrilled. We're gonna get it right out to you. We're gonna take a quick break. When we come back, that Hydra Screen lift, I knew it was gonna happen, flying out the door, and so many wonderful specials. Stay with us.
Trusted by millions, she is one of America's most successful female inventors.
If somebody's struggling, I look at how could I make that better for them.
For 25 years, Joy Mangano has been part of the HSN family.
The HSN customer is who I dream about.
And she's just getting started.
The product we're creating is amazing.
Don't miss Joy Mangano here on HSN.
Retire? I have too much fun.
I cannot run out of these products. So I'll let you in on a little secret. I have them on auto ship. It's the best way to stock up on all the items I love from HSN. Regular deliveries come on my schedule. And the price I paid is locked in. Auto ship. Get more of what you love when you need it.
Join us as we honor the enduring legacy of women everywhere during Women's History Month at HSN. It's a month filled with inspiring stories, endless adoration, and exclusive finds. All March long on HSN and at hsn.com.
As a chef, cooking is not only my job, it's a passion. And I know the importance of having the right tools. Enter Kitchen HQ. From high-performance cookware to time-saving gadgets. Kitchen HQ tools are designed to make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable for cooks at all levels. And they're affordably priced. Kitchen HQ can help you master any meal exclusively at HSN.
Many of us work long hours and we don't get enough sleep. However, the best way to replenish, to rejuvenate your skin, is by having a good night's sleep. During sleep, your skin heals, it's being rejuvenated, it's being revitalized. It's the best thing for your whole body, it's the best thing for you.
No doubt about it. That's board certified Dr. Paul Nassif, who is joining us and has been with us here at HSN with all of his fabulous skincare that he provides to his patients in Beverly Hills and to us at HSN in incredible, incredible values. And speaking of, mentioned the Hydra Screen lip one time. And I said we had fewer than, I think, 800 of them. I want to say we now have fewer than 500. Why? Let us show you, go right to this before and after. And all we always think about with Hydra Screen is one of the most important products. Like he said, doctor would not have any of his patients go into surgery before using Hydra Screen because, again, it helps the elasticity and plumpness to the look of the skin. Well, doesn't it make sense it's gonna do the same thing for your lips? Well, you bet. Diminish, obviously, the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Temporary, plump up the look of your lips. And here's what we're doing today. We're doubling the offer, and we're putting money back in your pocket. So $29.95, one of the best values we've ever done. $9 to get it home to you with FlexPay, and absolutely free shipping and handling. Okay, doctor, I'm such a believer in this product because you started me originally on, obviously, the detox pads and the Hydra Screen. I couldn't believe what both of those did for my skin. And the Hydra Screen, you said, bringing back that, fluidity and that elasticity to the skin. Doesn't it make sense that you would do it in a lip product that we can't keep in stock?
Well, I mean, the reason why we said, let's think about doing something, Lynn, is because one of the biggest complaints we have, whether it's if you're young or old, is they want more volume in the lip.
Sure.
Now, what do we do? In the plastic surgeon or the med spa, office, we're going to use injectables and we're going to put fillers in your lip like hyaluronic acid. Now, I'm not comparing this product to that, but it does have hyaluronic acid in it. And what I wanted to do was take something that's going to actually plump up your lip and not plump it up with some of these other products which actually irritate and cause an inflammatory response. But let's hydrate. Let's moisturize. Let's add long and short-term different hydrators. And again, when I talk about the ingredients, it's always about the ingredients to have something work for you and be effective. You have to have the best clinical grade, for example, jojoba oil. It's a glaze we put on to give that beautiful natural shine, which you could even use this on top of your lipstick. We have two different types of hyaluronic acids, low and medium chain hyaluronic acid, which gives you hydration. We have ceramides and Volulip. Now, these actually get you immediate and long-term plumping of the lip. So bring this to your lip, whether it's once a day, 5 times a day. It's hydration. It brings out your natural color. It improves the texture. And also, unfortunately, we get these little vertical lines above and below your lip as we get older, especially. If we can hydrate that, then we're trying to fill in some of those little grooves with hydration and make them less visible. And your lips, basically, if you look at this before and after, you basically think you have some type of a gloss or something on it, some lipstick, because you can see, first of all, those little bumps in the upper and lower lip is from lack of hydration. They're gone. Then we brought out the natural color with it. So when it comes to, again, Hydro Screen, which you all know, our loving product is Hydro Screen, which everyone uses. We brought the same idea to clinically improve your lip. Now, Donna, and I'm gonna let her talk in a minute, she's only applying this to her left upper and lower lip.
Oh, wow.
And she, yeah, and you're gonna see
it
over the
immediately.
next, now to a minute, you're gonna see you can even see it now, the vermilion border, which is the border between the red part of the lip, we call it red, even though it's not really red, and the white part of the lip, called the white roll. You already see the increase in that vermilion border. You can see it right now, and oh, there you go. Yeah, we should take a photo of that and use that for our next show.
No kidding.
I mean, that's pretty. I mean, right there, you can see it. And by the way, it's not coloring and making it look bigger. That's the magic of hydration. And then when you use it more and more, you get that more volume in. And Lynn, once again, I'm glad that we're able to actually bring something to you again at these incredible values today. Because, this is my show lineup. I'm on now, and I think I'm on tonight. Yeah. And this is when to get them, because this is when you get these incredible values.
In your clinic, in your spa, this would, honestly, I want to say it's like, I think they're $30, or no, a little bit over $30 for one. You know what you're paying today? Yes. $15 for one. We're counting backwards in this final minute. We have fewer than 400. And they're not always in stock. I mean, that's why we don't have this on auto ship. We doubled up that special for everyone for the day today. And the other thing we wanted to address in here, of course, Hydro Screen. It's just makes so much sense you did it in a lip product, because I know what it does to your skin. But also a little hint of vanilla. No burning, right, doctor? Because so many of these products that have temporary and long-term benefits of plumping the look of the skins, they can be drying, they can be almost like stingy feeling, a little bit burning. This is like what you're paying for a regular gloss, but you're getting all these wonderful benefits at the same time.
And that's why we brought this to you, because remember, we're not causing problems with your lip. We're making your lips look beautiful, young, anti-aging, and voluminous. Give me those big kissable lips.
Exactly. Okay, so we'll let you know when that is completely sold out. I want to remind everyone, I know we've been very busy throughout this hour, and if you couldn't get through, we started the hour off with our #1 selling detox pads from Dr. Nassif. Millions have been sold. It's #1 top selling worldwide. We do have it available on auto ship. It's normally over $10 more. And you can customize your auto ship, because you don't want to be without. First time they became available, I instantly put myself on auto ship. They're absolutely unlike any other pad you ever use. They're not just a makeup remover, they're an exfoliator, they're a game changer, they're anti-aging, they're for everyone, for all skin types. We have original and we have the gentle. And once again, hundreds and hundreds of you going ahead and trying it for the first time. And why not? You have a 30-day money-back guarantee with everything that you purchase with us here at HSN. All right, so I'll let you know when our Hydro Seal lip products are completely gone, but now we're going to continue on, and we keep mentioning, the hydrogels. And Dr. Nassif, you were the first to bring it to us, first to introduce me to that amazing serum that has changed the look of my skin. Well, we have it in a new formula. We're first off we have a full size of your cleanser, and then a full size of the hydrogel serum. A duo today that we're offering. Wow, another crazy special price. Let me give you an idea. Our hydrogel serum on its own is $62. The Dawn to Dusk cleanser is $32.95. If you look at purchase separately, we're at $97 and change. HSN is normally $20 off that, which is fantastic, at $79. We're offering a sale price of $39.99. What is this gonna do? Again, smooth the look of textured skin. Bring back that radiance. And auto ship is available. Okay, I was double checking on that. So you could ask about auto ship. Typically they recommend 120 days, but again, you're able to customize your auto ship. But we're gonna go right out to Dr. Nassif. Why these two products, and who exactly is the hydrogel for, and what can we expect it's gonna do?
All right, absolutely. So you have that warmer months coming up. We got summer coming up already. It's already starting to get hot. Spring's coming. So what I wanted to do was take something that, because we have all these environmental aggressors hitting your skin, I want to actually give you what you're going to keep in the shower, or dawn at dusk, which we've had for actually, I've had that for 12 years, which is a chemical and mechanical exfoliator cleanser. You start off that with your skin, but then the hydrogel. Now the hydrogel, and we'll get into each one of these products, but it is the ultimate multitasker, which you're going to use to prep your skin before you put on your makeup. And it's going to do about 12 different things to your skin. And one of the key ingredients is something called high retin. Hyaluronic acid, hydrator, bound to retinol. And retinol, we know, is an incredible form of vitamin A that helps with the fine wrinkles and the skin tone and the firmness. We put them together so that the retinol won't irritate your skin. There's even something, there's a wintergreen extract, more of a natural salicylic acid, topically that smooths out your pores. So let's start off with the dawn at dusk. And again, you can use this once or twice a day, once every few days, whatever you like. I love keeping this in the shower. And, you know, with this animation, you'll see it's a combination of mechanical Ecuadorian ivory palm tree seed granules. And in addition, you use a small amount on damp skin right here. And again, when it comes to the phytic acid, it's called phytic acid. Okay, it starts to loosen up all the dead skin cells that stick on your skin. It's a gentle form of AHA. And then we buff them all away. And that's where the Ecuadorian ivory palm tree seed granules work. So you start with that. And again, that's why when we talk about a combination of chemical and physical or mechanical exfoliation, these work beautifully together. They don't dry out your skin. It doesn't irritate your skin. So that's part one. All right? Now, that hydrogel, and I know I'm talking a lot. I know we'll see the models in a minute, but we have to show you the hydrogel, the benefits.
Yes.
And, you know, the key ingredients, we'll pop up these acids for you. And it really takes the skin to the next level. And what it does, your skin, let's say you do have oily skin, it actually creates a matte finish for you. So we can pop up some of the, that's on the, okay. So we're going to actually show you from the moisturizers, we're going to show you now the different before and afters. And also I do want to show you our models, especially Donna Kelly, they're going to be putting it on their skin. So remember, it's a 1-2 touch. Now, remember when I just talked to you about that mattifying effect? This is it right now. So you can see this patient has a little bit more oily skin. Now, if you don't have oily skin, that's great. Okay, you're not going to get that significant mattifying effect. Wherever if you do, you see the before and after, and when you put on your makeup, it makes everything a lot better because you don't want that bright look if it's from oil. Now, not radiance. Let's not confuse it with radiance. So here you go. You're seeing these before and afters, and you're seeing actually the texture, the tone, and the wrinkles of the skin. You're seeing the marionette line improve, not as deep. The nasolabial fold, the nose to mouth line there, is not as deep. That kind of scar on the lower lip at the bottom part of the marionette line is even not as deep. And again, the combination of hydration with the high retin and the wintergreen extract is doing this for you. And we can keep moving on these before and afters. So here, again, a patient with oily skin. Lynn, I'll let you get into your incredible value in a minute, but that's it right there, showing you these before and afters.
That is unreal. Unreal, and it does, you can see a little bit of the shininess, obviously the fine lines, the midlines, and the wrinkles, but just using the hydrogel and the cleanser. So if you are tuning in, yeah, these are two absolute, this is your serum. So you're gonna cleanse your skin, you're gonna exfoliate everything we just said from the Dawn to Dusk cleanser, and then you put the hydrogel on for all skin types. And again, it's what we said, the percentage of the anti-aging ingredients and unique ingredients that Doctor talks about. There's so many in there that it's like hard, that it's like, wow, it's hard to even follow, but it's the results that you see. And as I said, Dr. Nassif is not gonna put his name on anything unless it's seen it, it's tested, he's seen the results, good enough for his patients, and then certainly, obviously, good enough. We want to share those results with everybody, here at HSN. Value-wise, this is unheard of. $65 for the hydrogel serum and then $32.95 for the cleanser. You're basically paying for the cleanser and getting a 1.7 ounce of the #1 hydrogel serum. And going into summer, you said especially, because a gel consistency, it's good for the skin. And you test this on all skin types, right, Dr. Nassif?
Absolutely. And with any skincare product, if you're going to use something, you always want to test it on you, do a little test area. And by the way, what's great about this, the predetermined, you just push that depressor in. It pulls out the exact amount I want you to use on your face. And then you see Kelly, how she's applying it. And by the way, we did a consumer perception study with this. Consumer perception is what you, as the customer, think about it. And by the way, everyone said it was gentle on their skin, non-greasy, easy to use, and they would incorporate it into any of their routines. Then about 97%, which is like almost 100%, said brighter skin, more hydrated, and the product easily absorbs. And you can take the hydrogel, then you can put on your makeup, put on your SPF, and you're out the door. Now, high retin, again, and the wintergreen extract, I'm calling out those two main ingredients because that's what's going to transform your skin. Pores, brightness, wrinkles better, hydration, all this with the hydrogel. And then, of course, you're getting the combination of the incredible Dawn and Dusk cleanser for you. And I just had you see there, and you showed it, the incredible value. I don't know how we did that
I don't
today,
either. I don't either.
but we brought
Doctor,
it to you.
how do we include hydrogel if we're using HydroScreen?
Absolutely. So HydroScreen, you can see it over here. Now, the HydroScreen is what I have there. That is, again, my straight hyaluronic acid. That's now bringing the skin to that last level of hydration. And we're bringing it for you. And by the way, you can have that. I don't think it's in this show. You can get that on the website at HSN. So you can add that, or you can even mix the two of them together if you like.
Oh, good idea. I'm going to get that because I don't have I obviously will never be about the hydrogel or the HydroScreen, but the hydrogel is new to me. So I'm fascinated. I'm going to mix those together. Can't imagine anything ever being as effective as the HydroScreen, but yes, you're right. It's on hsn.com, so you can inquire about that. All right, well, we also have the Soft Focus Hydrating Day Cream. And I love this because Dr. Nassif goes after skincare that we just don't see. Like, really dealing with issues that are different from just the typical, oh, it's gonna bring back hydration to your skin. This is gonna give your skin that look almost as if it's like a photoshopped, right? That smooth focus. Sometimes you look at a picture and you're like, oh my goodness, what did they do? Their skin looks flawless. This is kind of the same concept that Doctor has done in this hydrating cream. That is 1.7 ounces. And it's gonna help, again, obviously, with the anti-aging ingredients, with the look of fine lines and wrinkles, bringing back the luminous. But I love the fact that it has this soft, beautiful, focus appearance. And I know you're gonna explain how you did this, but I'm gonna explain the value. It's $66.95. That's HSN deal. We're offering it for $35 today. Auto ship is absolutely available. I would definitely recommend if you've tried this in the past at this wonderful savings. What happens with auto ship going forward, you set it up, canceled anytime, but you're securing this price of $35. But right out to Dr. Nassif, let's talk about Soft Focus. And again, a day cream for who and what can we expect?
Absolutely. I mean, this is a day cream for everyone. And if you're one of those folks that basically does a lot of selfies during the day, and then when you're ready to look at those selfies, you got to sit there and you got to filter it. Well, this is a selfie filter in a jar is really what it is. And it's really the optical brighteners that blur away instantaneously and short term, the fine lines and wrinkles. It's blurring the lines. So you're getting that more, that's why we call it a soft focus look. But then you have the long term. You have the red clover extract, you have the niacinamide, the tetrapeptides. We're helping with the pores, helping with hydration, helping with fine lines and wrinkles. So this is going to boost that hydration during the day. So you're getting all those for the long term, protecting your skin, which is so important, but also you're getting that with the optical brighteners, that soft, focus or filtered look. And that's why we put this together for you. And that's, you know, especially right now with the social media, everyone's doing this. So we said, what can we do? And that's what optical brighteners do without irritating your skin. But again, if you look at the red clover extract, the tetrapeptide, niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate is hyaluronic acid. All those are your anti-aging benefits. Then when you go to the bottom here, the optical brighteners, that's what's giving you that soft focus look. So you're going to put that on. And again, you can use this with the hydrogel right after the hydrogel. Okay. First, you're going to use your detox pads that we had at the beginning of the show. Then you're going to use, again, the hydrogel. Then you're going to top it off because you can layer my products with the soft focus. And then, you know, you're out the door.
And we're going to show our models here in the studio and just show you even though it's a little bit of the texturing. It's a beautiful whipped texturing, and it just melts right into the skin. But yes, that is the thing. It's like you watch it with those unique ingredients, and you watch the wrinkles, and you watch just even the luminosity. And Donna, I know this is one of your favorites too, because don't we all want to have that soft focus, right?
Oh my gosh, yes. It is so lightweight, and it just, my skin just drinks it in. And my skin feels like plump, and it feels so soft and silky. And I just feel like with the Soft Focus Day Cream, which I use every single day, it takes years off the look of my face.
Yeah. Well, you don't age, but honestly,
I use good products, that's why.
Yeah, 100%.
Right?
Yes. So again, helping temporarily optimize the appearance of pores and skin, obviously improving the look of skin's textures. We're looking at here for more smoother appearance, and that's soft-focused.
Yes.
I mean, beautiful, Donna. Your skin is absolutely flawless. If you are just tuning in, this is normally $66. That's why we're so excited to have it on auto ship, because you can secure it for those of you who have tried this in the past. It's yet another great customer pick, and we have a wonderful testimonial. Take a listen.
When I'm applying the Soft Focus Day Cream, it's such a beautiful cream because it's rich, but it's not heavy. It's like a smooth filter of kindness over my skin for the day. And I really need that because I need that hydration. And my skin has never felt more radiant and youthful.
After I apply this cream, it feels like the effect is really soft, real natural looking. It's like a kiss to my skin.
So my friend said to me the other day when we were out and about, your skin looks different. She said it's glowing and it looks really soft. You know, what have you done? And I told her I use the Nassif MD Soft Focus Day Cream. You know, if I'm gonna spend the time and the money on a product, I wanna make sure that it delivers what it says it's going to and see those results instantly rather than say, oh, you have to wait, you know, 6 or 8 weeks to see the results.
Wonderful, wonderful testimonials. I mean, every single one of the areas they touched on, I think any woman or any man out there who is watching right now could really relate to. Who would not want soft focus, luminosity, that, you know, beautiful, beautiful look of that just smoothness to the skin, whether it's textured skin, whether it's pores, that's all the things that they talked about already. So, Dr. Nassif, fast hour, but always encourage everyone. It's been a busy hour. Please shop because you have so many wonderful things on hsn.com. And I think we really highlighted some of our favorites. I know we still have hundreds of people still trying to get in for the hydrogels, for the detox pads. And I know we're going to see you a little bit later on this evening, correct?
We sure am. I think I'm on with Amy at 11 p.m. Eastern. And by the way, with the soft focus, I do want to tell you all with our consumer perception study, since we're at the end of the show. And again, when you try these products and when you say, I would buy the product and recommend it to a friend, that's what we want to hear. And that's what this soft focus, and it does that. So you look, almost everyone said it gave that soft focus appearance, which is what I mentioned. It's like doing a filter on your skin. And again, it helps plump the skin. So it's nice. Plumping is a sign of youth.
Mm-hmm.
We don't want hollow skin. We want a little bit of volume, especially as we get older.
No doubt. And actually, doctor, it was 100% people who use this product would recommend it to a friend. That's the ultimate testimonial because you know it's working and it's doing something, right?
Absolutely.
For sure. Listen,
Great.
have a great afternoon. Thank you for all your fabulous products. We love it. We love having the opportunity to have your knowledge and these amazing ingredients here at HSN. Thanks, doctor. Bye-bye. I know my friend Helen is coming up next, and she has a great afternoon in store for you. A fantastic shopping. Enjoy your day, everyone. Bye-bye. Hi, Hel.